welcome to the Maths Online classes of Chapter 5 Multiplication. This is my second session. In first session, student, we have learned about what is multiplicand, multiplier, and what is the product. Three important terms of multiplication, and then properties of multiplication. And the last topic we have discussed in the previous session is how to multiply a number by 10, 100 or 1000 without doing the actual calculation. So now let's move to the next topic. Today I am going to explain how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Right, student, for this we have two methods. So let's start with the first method, and the first method is box multiplication method. In box multiplication method, you have to make one table like this, box like this. One important point, students, in this type of method, box multiplication method, you have to expand both the terms. You have to write the expanded form of both the numbers. So 128 is 100 plus 20 plus 8, and 24 is 20 plus 4. Right, now what is the step after this? Make a table like this. Right, the first step is expand. We have this is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. The first number is the multiplicand and second number is the multiplier. Expand the multiplicand in the first row. This is the first row of the table like we have done. Now the second step is expand the multiplier and write in the first column of the table. Right, so this is the tens and this is the ones place. Now the third step is multiply the ones place of the first column to the hundreds, 20 and ones place separately. Let's start multiplying the number. We have to start with the ones place. So these ones is multiplied by first the 100 place, and the number is 4 multiplied by 100. So the oral answer is 400. This method we have done in the previous video, how to do the oral calculation. Now this 4 is again multiplied by 20. We have to multiply this number separately by all the three numbers which are written in the rows. 80. Now the third one is 4 multiplied by 8. 32. Right. After this, now we have to multiply this tens place number again with 100, 20 and tens separately again. So 20 multiplied by 100. Oral calculation we can easily do. This is 2000. Now 20 multiplied by 20. 2 2s are 4 and 2 zeros. Again 20 multiplied by 8. So 160 is the product of 20 multiplied by 8. So after multiplying all the numbers separately by first with 4 by all the three numbers and 2 by 20 by all the three numbers. After doing all this multiplication, now you have to add. What we have to add? Add all the numbers like this one. Right? So 2000 plus 400 plus 160 plus 400 plus 80 plus 32. You can write all these numbers in the column form and you can find the answer, and the answer is, what is the answer after adding? This is 3072. So this is called the box multiplication method. Right, student? Now student, let's discuss what is the second method of multiplying any 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. The second method is a long method. This method is not new for you. You have already learned this method in class 1, 2, 3 in your classes, or in the previous classes you have learned this method. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, you have to write this like this. And the number you have written is 128. The multiplicator is top number, and then 24. This is called the long method of multiplication. Student, first of all we have to multiply this. We have to start with the ones place of the multiplier, then 4 times 8. So here what we have to do, students, 128 is multiplied by 4. This whole 128 is multiplied by 4, but one by one we have to multiply. Like 4 8s are 32. 2 is here, free carry on the next number. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 this. Now student, this is a very important point. When we have to start multiplying the multiplicand by this number, this is on the tens place. It means we have to multiply the same number by the 20. And when we multiply the second number by the whole number with the second number, we have to put either cross or 0 on the ones place of the second row. Why? Because we have to multiply this number by 20, and this is 1 0 is there, so directly we can put 1 0 here with either 0 or cross. This is your choice what we have to use here. Now start multiplying again with this number. We have to multiply now like this. 2 8s are 16. 16 again you can remove this one and 1 carries on the next number. Then 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Again 2 1s are 2. No carries there. So leave it like this. Now we have to add these numbers. This is 0, so 2 plus 0 is again 2, 6 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 10, plus 1 carry, you can write like this, and then 3, 3072. In both the cases we have used two methods to multiply the same numbers. The digits are same, 128 multiplied by 24. In both the methods we have used two different methods, but the answer remains same, that is 3072. So student, this is the second method. You can choose any method. If nothing is mentioned in the question, so you can choose any method, either the box method or this method. That is up to you, which is easy and convenient for you. Right, student? Now student, I have to explain the same method for the different numbers. Now multiplying a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Again I want to choose only the long method because that method is easy and convenient. I think it is a less time taking. The previous method, box method, is little bit lengthy. So I just go for the long method. So let's start the multiplying these two numbers. Again you have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, right? You can take one extra place. Maybe if the number is more, so you can write easily. Now 2, 2, 4, 224 and 160, right? Let's start multiplying. Again you have to multiply. What you have to multiply here? 2, 2, 4 multiply by 6. Always start with the ones place. 6 4s are 24, 2 carries here. 2 6 are 12 plus 2 14. Again 1 carry here, and 2 plus 1. Sorry, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. So here I have one extra number, so I write down the number in the tens place. Now again in the previous method, what we have do? We are putting one cross here. Why? Because the same number 224 is multiplied by tens. This is a tens place number. So tens place means multiply by 10. So this 10, this 0 is replaced by the cross, or you can also use the 0 here. Now let's start multiplying. 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now the second step is this one more 1 is left here. This is on the 100 place. This is on the 100 place, right student? So what we have to do again, the same number 2 to 4 is multiplied by 100. So this time we have 2 zeros, so we have put 2 crosses here, one on the ones place and second on the tens place. Now we have to start multiplying. 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, and 1 2s are 1 more place is needed. That's why I have written the one extra place. Now the multiplication is done. We have to add the numbers. Again this is 0 0, so nothing is there. Directly we can write the same number here. This is 0, then plus 4 is 8. Now add these three numbers. 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, and this is single number, so this. So the answer is 25984. So this is the way how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Right student? You can multiply any number, bigger number also you can multiply by this method. But make sure when you multiply on the second row, in the second row you have to put one cross. In the third row you have to put 2 crosses. Right? This is very important. So rest is okay students. I hope you understand this method carefully. That's all for the today's session. Thank you students.